TP Nation, what's going on, y'all? This is another day that the Lord has blessed us, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. All right, y'all done seen my kitchen. Y'all done seen everything. Let me stop this music before I get flashed. Let me stop this music. All right. So, y'all have seen everything. So now, let me show y'all what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to get this place ready, man. I got a big summer cookout going on. Mom's birthday. We're going to celebrate Mom's birthday here at Mikasa. And so, I'm just trying to get everything ready. So when it's time to celebrate, we're going to throw down. So this music keeps starting. Let me stop this thing if I get a copyright claim. All right, now, so we stopped the music. So y'all know, y'all saw the video where I started doing the flower bed. So what I started doing now is hauling in dirt. So I'm getting ready to take that wrap right there. You see that white wrap? That's actually Home Depot sheathing. It goes up against the house. It's like that house wrap. I like to put that down because then the grass does not come through. That other landscaping paperwork, the grass does not come through. But let me show you what I did on this side over here. You see that white paper right there? You put that down and you cover it up. Grass does not come through. So what I'm gonna do is put that over here and put some flowers out. I'm gonna put some palm trees. I've already got one palm tree planted right there. As you can see that palm tree right there. But I think I'm gonna have to move that because we all know once that starts to grow, so we're gonna have to move that. But yesterday I got out here and I hauled some dirt and smoothed it out. Smoothed that dirt out. So I'm gonna put that paper down. I'm gonna put that paper right there down into this flower bed right here and clean this up real nice and neat. But also what we're doing today, I'm doing this, but my cousin is putting up lattice. We're gonna put up lattice on this side of the deck. We've already put the wood up yesterday. Got it prepped and ready to go. I painted all of that wood with white paint. I went to Lowe's and bought some white paint and I painted all of that. So now we're getting ready to put up this white lattice around here to match like on this side over here. Just to keep the animals from going up under the house and stuff like that. We can't stop regular bugs, but we definitely can keep the cats and stuff like that from going up under there. So here we are right here. Getting ready to put this up. Today we're gonna do this lattice today. As you see, I gotta paint this side. We did this yesterday. We're gonna actually start putting up the lattice today, guys. He's preparing now to put lattice on the side down there, underneath the steps. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. Well, this is what he's gonna be doing. It's supposed to rain here, so trying to get as much accomplished real quick. I don't know why he's doing that side right now. We should have been doing the lattice on this side, but hey.
So I mean, if you can paint them.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying it's about to rain, so I was trying to get this whole side done at least. The lattice. I know my cousin is dirty. Don't say nothing. But this is what we're getting ready to do here. Hang this lattice up so I can start pressure washing. All right, so y'all see. Got a cut piece for the bottom, right?
No. Put blocks on it. Got build it up. I'm sure you got to build it up, dirt anyway. Something, because got to do something on here.
Okay.
I'm just, let's see. Oh, look, you got to level this off a little bit. It's way too damn steep. It's wash bad. Just make the driveway anyway, and the pipe's barely on the ground.
Yeah, I know. I got to dig them down and everything.
No, just add it on top.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me get to work. I'll show y'all what it looked like a little bit later on. Y'all stay tuned to Taylor's Pride. Please remember, like, comment, and subscribe. I know this ain't your kind of stuff. I know you. These are my dreams. I'm living my dreams. I'm doing what I want to do for me. It's not anybody else. This is for me because I like being outside. I love to cook. Yeah, hey, I'll holler at y'all later.
One thing that I found out, they never
All right, y'all. Pretty much got it all done. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like now. It's starting to rain. Starting to rain all day today. All right. Bam. Y'all see this? Got this right here pretty much done. I'm gonna put landscaping blocks out here with flower bed and everything. Turn that corner. Got the corners done.
I don't think you need water from box out there. Oh, I got notch out. Got notch out.
Putting that piece on. I get this. So we're gonna put flower blocks around. All right, y'all. So y'all seen what we've accomplished today here on Taylor's Pride Homestead. I know it's not a professional job, but it's good enough for me. So, like I said, I'm gonna put landscaping blocks out here, just like I did over there. I'll put landscaping blocks and put little trees around the pool and stuff to kind of give it some foundation to be able to hold. This is all that stuff up under that shed, that was up under this deck, so I got to clean all that up, guys. Don't talk about me, y'all. Please don't talk about me. Bran, what's up, Bran? What you coming to Daddy for? You got to come to Daddy, don't you? You coming to me, don't you? Yeah, I know. I love you too. I love my Bran. Yep. I love my babies. Yep.
I'll save money. Pay all that. And I can run, starting that back out.
Yeah, it's a possibility.
And then because at least if it's expensive, I might go to just right in here,
Right. Yep. So, okay, Google, turn on the gazebo lights. So y'all, this is what we looking like. Give y'all a nighttime view of the lights. You see how that looks at nighttime. I think I'm gonna put 2 lights over here though. I think I am going to do that. Put a light there, one there, one there, and one there. I think I am going to do that. Don't know how, but I think I got an idea of what I want to do. So that's probably gonna be in the making in the future, y'all. It's gonna be in the making. It's gonna be in the making in the future. Bran, tell them hi. You told them hi? Tell them hi. Bran, say hi. Come up here. Tell them hi. Tell them hi. Bran, say hi. Bran, say hi. Say hi. Bran. Say hi. Say hi. Tell them hi. Grab you up, chick. That's my baby girl. Don't y'all talk about me. That's my girl. All right, y'all. So y'all see me put up the lattice today on the homestead. We're going to be doing some more things in a couple of days. Just taking it easy right now. But please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are Taylor's Pride Homestead. Just doing some things to fix up our place, to make it be what I want it to be. Hey, I love y'all, man. God bless y'all. Y'all have a great day. Peace.
Oh, shit. Can't bring that up. All right.